The mobile business empire. Your business on the run. Big internet profit page 1. Table of contents. Embracing the online environment. 4. Niche sites. 4. Google keyword tools. 6. More about blogs. 7. Websites. 8. Forms. 9. Mail. 10. Long term business idea. 11. Target hot markets. 11. Create an automatic sales system. 11. Create proprietary communities. 13. Create as many affiliate as possible. 13. Offer free item frequently. 14. Monthly subscription. 15. Good oil marketing. 16. Wash, rinse, repeat. 16. The art of precision. 17. Learn the art of attraction. 18. Change your marketing mindset. 19. How much are you worth? 20. How much in your customer worth? 22. Simple things to remember. 22. Creating a personal connection with potential customer. 24. The elements the elements of the gods perceives story. 24. Using the 5 element in your sales page. The big 26. Big internet profit phase 2. Use the power of imagination to sell. 27. Drama and controversy. 27. The story of your sales page. 29. The covered offer. 30. When you means yes. 30. How just 1 by 2 hour of time can produce result. 31. Be prepared at all time. 13. Be a copycat. 33. Who to copy. 33. Big internet profit page 3. Embarrassing the online environment. The internet is a tool, a high effective tool for mass marketing. However, you have to understanding the technology to make it work for you. Hopefully you have had enough exposure to the internet on your want to recognize some of the terms like forms, website, blog and email. Every day new technology range that can be helpful to you in your marketing campaign, but this will be peels of your campaign. You are going to take various elements available to create network of marketing that brings in people from various places of on the internet to your offer. To do that, you have to be aware to each of these elements and how they work. Then in chapter 5 you will be told how you can put them all together to make a system that continues to work 24 by 7 to earn money for you as long as your site are up. Niche site. The first thing you want to do is start to create niche site. A niche site is one website that is targeting a particular product or market segment and is devoted to that enterprise. You don't want a site that sells everything to everyone because buyer will become confused with all the different offers. You want to a website that is careful built to target the type of audience that buyers your product or service. How do you do that? Can you control who ends up coming to visit your website? Again, on the internet, this is a whole lot easier than it sounds. You have to remember that the hurts way people get cited through the search engine. Search engine like Google also have immense resource to help you generate copy that target your niche and will show up as a result in the search when some is looking for that particular product or service. So you You don't have to control the person coming to visit your site at all. You just 4. Control the copy you put on your niche site, and it will control the type of audience that show up at your door. And the neat thing about using copy that brings the right audience is that you can hook it up to Google's AdWords campaign and make money that way too. Google Keyword Tool. This easy to use tool is available to anyone with internet connection. Whether you have a Google account or not, it helps you to research different words to find similar and high paying words and the amount of competition for exposure of those keywords. It is located here. Say you want to do a website on a niche you think will be highly profitable, stamp collecting. So you put in collecting as the keyword to find similar keyword that might be able to bring traffic for people interested in collecting stamp to your website. The tool will generate a list of words with the advantage computation and the approximate search volume for keyword in the current month. If you want to see how much that keyword is worth it in a Google AdWords campaign, you can also click the drop down list that say show hide column and choose to show the estimated average CPC. The first thing you will notice that the may people are interested in searching for stamp collecting on the internet. There were only 33,100 search of stamp collecting using those keyword in the month of June 2018. That's out of million and million of people who use Google's and search the internet. So right there you know that this niche is not a good idea. So you change your mind and try scrapbookings instead. By entering the term scrapbook, you see that for the month of June 2018, 1,220,000 search were done on that keyword, much better number of stamp collecting. Now you turn your attention to the list of keyword and see that there is some stamp competition for using this keyword. Your goal is to find some terms that have high search volume and low competition or a high CPC value. As you do the research, you will eventually build a list of keywords. 6. That suited your purpose and this will be what you can use to build your niche site. Don't forget that you can do this with numerous words to find some great keyword. So you might look of craft to when targeting a scrapbooking site. Once you have a great list, you will start a great copy based on those keywords. Your entire site, you have plenty of connect to lure people into your site and rank higher in the search engine. That's why that's why many people use blogs, web blog to help keep content fresh and bring in new keywords so that the search engine will start to find their site quicker and bring traffic into their sales funnel. You will use the keyword in the categories in your web blog to help place you higher in the search engine. And you will want to create a strategy where the keyword have a density of about 1 to 2% of the entire copy. There is debate on what is the best density, but don't make it too high or Google will accurately penalize the ranking on the search engine for spamming keyword on your site. If you don't have the time to write the article or the inclination, don't be offered to go to work.com hire who can do it for you. You can buy set of article in bulk and that will allow them out your time schedule and always have fresh content on hand. And if you sign up as a Google AdWord advertise, you can make income if you add Google advertising to your site or blog. More about blogs. Blogs that are hosted on your website make great marketing tools. You can create a blog on third-party site, but that can limit your ability to add Google advertising to your entire, and it gives the visitors one more hope to jump to actually land on your website. You will also be limited in the type of 7. Affiliate advertising you can do if the blog is not hosted on your one domain and website. If you have a website and want to add a blog, you can do it with product like WordDrips.org. This is a free product that allow you to add a blog to your site if you have that right platform. You can always check with your web host too to see if they have a way to add a blog to your site. So, when you build a website, you can build it just to have a sales page that lead directly to your product, or you can build a more robust site with some content. A blog can provide the perfect foil of a sales offer because you can market it as informational and the Google search engine will see content on your site ranking it higher in search result and thus bringing more traffic. Of course, a blog is not much good if no one read it, so you will have to market the blog as much as you market your product so as to bring in visitors. You can do this by making your blog easy to bookmark with your bigger portal like Technored, StumbleUpon, and more. See the research section for some good tools to help you market your blog on the internet for a wider exposure. This includes adding information about your blog and website into relevant internet directories. As with anything on the internet, you want to set it up to be automatic so that when you publish a blog post, your subscriber are notified and major news feed or update. Websites. A website can be a simple sales page with a way to capture people's email if they can interesting in your offer, or it can be a more complex membership site. It is really up to you what you choose to do to establish an internet presence for your particular market niche. However, what you don't want is to including all your offer one site. You want multiple sites that are all finally turned to the audience that is showing off theirs. This will encourage you. 8. Advertising effectiveness and help you build a network of sites across the internet. You can host your site one host or on many hosts. You want to make sure you do have some site operation should once host go down or a section of the internet block out for whatever reason. If you have multiple sites and all network to different area on the network, you want to have to worry that all your income will go down at once. There will always be some offer of regardless. Your website should be simple to set up and you should make extensive use of a template and turnkey system to help you set up domain, a sales page, autoresponder for your offer, and even payment collection system. The technology there to make setting of any online business easy, but you don't want to be the one fusing with scripted on endless feeding with the hook look of a site. Interested? Of course, on the copy, use the template set up the system and let it run. If you have to pay someone occasional to add some features, that is a fine, but try to keep your technology simple enough to implement over and over in rapid fire succession to build an online empire. Forums. More complicated site can include membership and forums. You don't have to be a great to set this up either. You can buy a forms that has already been developed by someone else through various sites for developer. They just transfer the domain to and the hosting fee to add, and you can become the proud owner forms without doing a single line of code. Forums. Have you proud to con to them? You do have a captive audience when you promote your product without being accused of spamming anyone. However, forums require more maintenance than a typical website because people do attempt at the spam forums for their one agenda show you. 9. Maybe lift either facilitating discussion or blocking certain user who oppose the forum's rules. The playback is that you do end up having a direct connection to your customer and they are usually willing to buy for someone who they trust. One of the truly wonderful things about forums is that you can bypass some troubles that you might get with email autoresponder. If you send larger email to your members, often the email provider can block you as a spammer. If you send instant message on the forums to all your members, they can get your message right away and you are not competing with anyone else's email or fighting their email provider for a right to land in their inbox. That doesn't mean, however, that you can't use email, but that building a social network is becoming more than the norm than mass email campaign. Email is still popular, but you have to use it with some additional caveat. You can't just send out a mass email to people who have not given your permission to the corresponding with them or sign up to your email list. This is called spamming and in some cases you can end up in legal troubles over this particular practice. So on your website you want to a way to capture a person email. This can be done by putting off forums that capture not only the email of a person who want to a specific offer, usually a fee by initiative, but also the physically address too. If you currently do not have a way for people to get some interest offering in the exchange for any email address, you are missing the first step in funneling them into your community or sales funnel. Without the email and permission to contact them, you want to be able to market then affiliate effectively online. So it pays to get that email address somehow. One long-term business idea. Although we discussed a little about keyword, which is also known as search engine optimization (SEO), you might think that this will be the wave of the future. This is really a snapshot of the present moment, and anything that Google gives, Google can just easily take away in the next moment. So although you want to be familiar with a strategy that can get you traffic from the current method using use, you don't want to end up devoting all of your time to technique that might not be viable to tomorrow. Instead, you should look for way to set up system that will work, regardless of what happens future to any one company. Target hot markets. Always develop your market niche with the bottom line in mind. Don't waste your time on dead markets. You want to be able to put a website offer that get instant return on the money, not something that may or may not be profitable in the future. You don't want to have to try and create desire that never work. Instead, you want to go where the desire exists already and is waiting to be satisfied with your offer. As long as you continue to do the research on what marketers host it and what is the selling fast, you can make some good money now and in the future. Once you target your copy to those market and start generating traffic from people who are attracted to the market needs, the rest is simple. You want to create a system that started making those visitor customer as quickly as possible. Create a automated sales system. 11. The way to create a automated sales system. 1. The way to create automated sales system that takes advantage of the great desire a segment of the population might have for some product or service is to follow three easy steps. 1. Make a great offer. This is the first powerful hook for the people who happen on your website. The ad can be for something like a free report that will provide for adding their email to your list, or it can be for a discontinued upon code available for those that sign up their email address. The whole point is to get the email address as quickly as possible while providing some incentive to purchase in step 2. 2. Frivolous sales letter. If you are giving back the free report, this should actually be your sales letter in disguise, including great information about the topic, but also include information that sell your product and service through the report copy. 3. Add affiliate offers. Just in case they don't buy your product, that doesn't mean you still can't make a sale. Include information on affiliate offer that can provide a stream of income for you whether they choose your product or not. The sales funnel is set up to capture most people who visit your website by offering them something they will have difficult turning down. The original offer is meant to harvest their email address. From there you send them the fee which will include other offer. And finally, if you are still down, make a sale. You now have their email address and can continue to market them future down the line. The trick to automate the entire process, however, is in how to set up the email system. You want to set up autoresponder to be able to send out product once a sale has been made. You don't want to have to check your email all the time and manually respond to each one by attaching the report they have requested. Instead, you want the system to do it for you. You want your offer to send email to an autoresponder that reply with the free report. 1, 2. You don't even have to ever see that someone requested it. You, you can also set up your payment processor to send email to your specific email autoresponder that can respond with any product you are selling without having to consultants manage income and outgoing email. This way you can set up a site, set up the offer, set up the autoresponder, and then walk away. All you are interested in is a dollar sign that you make at end of each month that should be automatically deposited into your payment collection area. Create sales perpetuating communities. Social network is a great way to create a self perpetuating community that create a content and buzz for your product and service. You can do this by simply adding a forms to your site and sign up a few people to get the bell rolling. Some people even choose to pay few contributing until the community takes hold, but it is really up to you. You can create multiple usernames for yourself and just add multiple entries under your one name to build up the appearance of a larger community until more people join up. Forums and networking sites are a great way to get other people to work for you. They are also great place to sell online advertising to other people if you want to make money that way, or if you want to concentrate on your product. You still have a captive audience that will allow you to post and advertising you want to in front of them. Get as many affiliates as possible. You will want to sign up as many affiliates as possible to sell your product for you. The way to do this is to offer them a higher commissions. Wouldn't be a bad thing if you give them 60 to 70% of the sale, even if that sound outrage. The fact is that you want them to do the selling while you go off to create more site. If you have 1,000 people selling your ebook for you, 1 3, and you don't have to do any of the sales, you are free to develop more stream of income while collecting on hold ones. If you only have a few people selling your product through it, though it want to be worth it, you want to maximize the potential for income without having to do too much of the actual work. Add members that affiliate don't just make sales, but they also boost the traffic to your site. So why wouldn't you want to someone publicize some of offer for you? Each site itself will start to grow in value and you will eventually be able to sell the entire thing to someone else for quite a handsome profit if you ever wanted to move on. Offer free items frequently. Okay, you are probably scratching your head and this one. How can you make money if you keep giving things away for free? Well, because the power of the internet is about exposure and leveraging your paying offer within free items. So even though you give something for free, it doesn't mean you want to get something back. And if you want to something to go viral on the internet, you have to go give it away. Once something goes viral and propagates all over the internet like on runway memes, you have the potential to make big money on any embedded link offered the very within the free report or item. At the very least, you should have a URL in the free report pointing back to your website so that if it goes viral, you will reap a huge amount of traffic. Now, if you want to keep people coming back over and over, then you can offer free items on your regular basis as part of the sign up. Some people do this by offering a free monthly newsletter. The newsletter tray should have valuable information in it, but it should also include link to your offer so that you are marketing them yet again while appearing to be quite altruistic. Not only do people look forward to good newsletter, but sometimes they even forward them to their friends too. If you send out a prepare newsletter, 1 4 people have it in front of them all the time round in the house, it can be a way to get some direct mail customer. However, the cost of mailing the is higher. Another popular way to generate interesting and increasing sales is to do contents of things. This work very well on content site with forms. Say say you want to get people to contribute to more content. You can either pay a bunch of people to write post or or you can sponsor a contest with one of your product as the prize. Not only do you get a bunch of people competing and adding valuable content to your site, thus building your community, but you also get to advertise your product while you are doing. Those that doesn't win still know where they can buy your product. Monthly subscription. If you are managed to build a community site, you will want to offer some membership subscription. There are several reasons for doing so. It goes back to the idea that you are creating a group with higher status than just the regular people who visit your site. You will let this eater group in extra discount, special tips, and goodies that the rest don't get, and this will appeal to people. The offer reason is that you make a residual income with monthly subscription. You don't even have to charge much. If you just charge $5 of instance and offer a $25 discount for sign up, it will appear that the subscription pays of itself. The thing is through that people often forget where the have one take sign up monthly may end up being deposit in your account for years because they want to take the trouble to unsubscribe. It is like to concept of the gym membership you never use. You don't cancel it because you think you might use it in the future, and beside you reason it is not that much to hold on to. Future, if you make it hard to find out how to subscriber, people might just give up and forget the matter entirely. If one one five only have two people do that each week, you have an additional income of $5,200 for year of doing absolutely nothing. Good old marketing. You have probably noticed it that your strategy that are sure to your work in internet are not new. They are time tested way of making money just apply to your online business. Just because your business is now on the internet doesn't mean that the basic of good marketing don't apply. They actually apply more, and you need to always keep in mind that what you are to sell your product and service in plain old advertising and creative offer. You can have the fantastic website out there but fail miserable to sell your product and service. You can spend a fortune to create a full future community website and never make a sale. You can even have a thoroughly innovative concept of the internet that you think will go viral and never does. Why? It is probably due to the lack of good old marketing common sense. This is what happened to the .com to throw that just because they spent a fortune to set up the complicated site that they would reap huge return on their investment. They, they didn't, and investor the site lost money to your connect. You cannot replace marketing common sense with technology. You can only make technology work to help you become a better markets. Don't make the same mistake that people did during the dot com bust. Interested, focus on keeping things simple and falling back on marketing strategy that will remain classes no matter when they are implemented. Was range repeat. Once you have come up strategy of technique that work for you, all you have to do the make more money is to was range and repeat it is. That's right, you will take the same type of offer and technique and simple put them on all the other website. You create selling different product lines to diversity your income. 1 6 the art of persuasion. Just internet becomes sophisticated to do buyer browsing online. What might have worked before doesn't have the same impact where visitors to your site have become more discriminating buyers. You will find that you need to hold your buyers hand a bite more this day and lead them to close sales. Despite the many resistance or how judged they are about period online relationship, in other words, you will need to seduce your visitors to convert them to customer. Social networking also has had an impact on how people to do business. It is interesting to note that economic e-commerce used to be something that only the during did. People were against the putting their credit cards number into online payment form. It is simple was not to be trusted no matter how trusted the company and or branded happened to be. Now the opposite trend trends to be more true. People are more comfortable with the ideal of online payment system but quite distrustful of how they do agree to the business with online. They want to trust the site on the seller first before they agree to buy anything. This is the why social networking is becoming increasingly popular. Now you don't have to really on your guest instant as a buyer to find your whether someone is the truth worth or not. You can get online into a social network community and see what your friends are buying and what they are saying about it. That's why many of the larger company have a way for buyer to offer feedback on their product that other website can view. It makes other people browsing more search. They can trust the site deliver what they say are selling. While it may be a little harder to get that fast sales for someone, the good news is subsequent sales are very easy because you have already gotten one instant past the buyer resistance, so it is well worth taking the extra time to seduce your visitor and to learn the psychology of online sales seduction to increase your bottom line. Learn the art of attraction. To seduce anyone, you have to find out what they desire and then fulfill, then offer yourself as the solution to fulfill that desire. This can be little tricky because often the person themselves doesn't understand what they really want. Only that at times some offer are more attractive to them than others. You can take a very generally approach when you first start to learn what makes your sales copy attractive and what doesn't. Then later you can start the target the specific demographic static of your free audience to target them to buy even more than might otherwise. First up, to learn what is attractive, you will have to learn what kind of behaviors will replace someone to. Then choosing to avoid those behavior is a step in the right direction. Now, think back to your one relationship and what is the number of turn of romantic relationship. It is when someone become desperate to be with you. That's about the time you lose total interest in the other person. Why is it that? It is because you send out a energy of his so neat that is feel like sucking the energy right out of you. It is become a demanding the draining experience to be around someone who thinks so little of themselves that they have to defend themselves by their relationship to you. The same thing is true with your sales copy. If you make your sales copy sound desperate to connect to the visitor to your site, they will be completely turned off that you want to make a single sales. Sure, in the past, this type of hard sell approach might have worked, but this day the playing field is much different and people who browse on the internet now that you aren't the only potential lover on the game board. Why stick with? 1 8. Someone who thinks so little of themselves they must convey you to start a relationship with them. No po. With the completely wrong approach. Instead, the art of seduction demanded a little more confidence. Your sales letter shouldn't attempt to convince someone that you need to them, rather that they need you. They base so can do this by writing in a style a project degree of authority about your product and service. Instead of selling someone, you are just telling them the benefit of relationship with you. Instead of covering some someone, you are educating them so they are better information about their choices. You are going to build the case that your product is the best around because you believe it to be true, and you will do it in a upbeat tone that is influence and will want to make people approach you to make sale rather than you begging them to buy. Remember that all great seducers in history did not dominate their target, they simply offered them a deal that was too hard to resist. The reason the way successful with many people is because they understood that most people want to close that deal that will solve some hate-filled desire for them. They just need to trust you to do with you. Change your marketing mindset. Change your marketing mindset. So now you are not sitting down to write sales copy because you need to convince someone to buy your product. Interested, you are projecting an art or confidence positivity difficult or people to ignore. That confidence should shine through in even what you write. From the hook in your title to the list of benefit to you have go to be able to project the confidence you have to about this opportunity that you are offering other people to use to solve this problem. Make this live easier, make money or any other motivation that you have target in your core audience. You don't just think they will benefit from it, you know it. 1 9. That's why you're always endorse your sales product and service that resonate with who are you. This is also much more important in the world of social networking where is it disconnect between your online networking image and your product can probably people distort anything you say or any few make. The key to really selling well in today's social networking site is to be as authentic as you can be. The more your feeling, thoughts, words, and product match who, who you are you, the more confidence you have that are valuable to your and others. If you are selling something to someone just to make a fast buck, you can best that people will quickly figure it out and it can harm you in the ignore even if you make the short term fast buck. However, if you value what you are offering, what is will sense that genuine and it will give you the confidence and trustful worthiness. How much are you worth? In romance, like in life, it is not always about how rich you are, how beautiful you are, or how young you happen to be. You can still attract a beautiful man or woman solely by being someone worth being around. With enough confidence, even an ugly man date beautiful women. As long as you believe in yourself and value yourself, that will come forward in your relationship as a calm, shooting and attract confidence, inspire other people to want to be with you. Have you ever noticed that people who have the most self-confidence usually appears that one worth much more than people with low self esteem. This attribute to the attitude self appreciation notice can how produce feedback loop price of your product and materialize as pure profit. Let's face it, you are not reading this book just so that you can learn how to close any deal. You want to be the big bucks. Well, how much are worth? How much do you value your product? Think about this when you being to price to your offering, or you're pricing them to go viral and think giving them away. Are you pricing the value of your time as in consulting? 2.0. Obviously, your time and expertise and invaluable should be priced higher than just your product. People have been known to make a living just offering seminar and workshop. There is no reason you can't do that online with today technology and sell out for more seat than you can at the live venues. The more you value yourself and your offering, the more likelihood that attitude you scrape into your sales copy and magnetize your offer and make them great seller. 2 1. How much is your customer worth? The attitude of appreciation starts with self, but it doesn't end there. For a successful seduction, you should have a object of your desire to and should be your customer. It doesn't mean that you have to be desperate to get their attention. It means that you also appreciate and value their business and relationship with you. Regardless of what you end up being, this open and allow for room to grow relationship can be great way to foster deeper and longer lasting love affair with your and your product. It is well known fact that waitresses who write the word "thank you" get better tips than waitresses who don't show their appreciation to their customers. How long does that take a write? Obviously, not long at all. The same can be done for your loyal customer. Offer them your appreciation for their business by giving them things that create a mutual relationship of appreciation and trust. Simple thing to remember. Seduction, whether to romance or in business, demand a little understanding of your psychology desire. The best approach of selling online use the same path. Approach indirectly some occasional unexpected content with your target on trust and then make the offer. Approach indirectly even though your final goal may be direct email campaign, you don't want to be that direct about your goals. People don't like feeling manipulated, and even they believe you are manipulating them. You will raise a resistance that will be difficult to every overcome. That's why your copy should not appear needed or attempting to convince. It should be like a Don John that is confident in their performance without being aware that they have anyone in their slide when they are actually interested in the visitor holes. Too early. If you tip your hand too early, you will never have a chance to get to second step. Occasionally, on unexpected contact. Once you have made your entrance and managed to reel in the personal attention, you can set up camping design to contact them with in-training spring of every even helpful thing that will make the welcome your short visit. Don't stay too long and don't overeat. This is achieve a business with email campaign that are well spread out and not too overbringing. Eventually the visitor will be consider whether you are trustworthy or not. Earn their trust. You can do this indirectly through occasional contact or by way to circle of friends you both share. If they ask for a free report and get it right away, you have started your road to earning their trust. The, the more you are able to meet their need consistently without appearing to be selling when you are, the more contact you will be allowed with your target. Make it the offer. Now is the time to be creative about how you will close the deal, whether it is selling a report of a full big seminar. By by this time you should know your target desire and be able to craft a skillful offer that is something irresistible to refuse. 2.3 Creating a personal connection with a potential customer. If you can to sell product, how will you end up being able to tell your visitor and in it in the way to enchant them? You will have to use the power of storytelling. If you run to convince of the power of storytelling, think of the story of the 1001 arriving nights. This set of ancient story and told by the protagonist such said who is married to a king who was ready to kill every virgin married the next day. The king has been betrayed early of the unfaithful wife woman overmuch after having the expected to declare all women unfaithful and being to take only virgin to the his marriage bed woman to his promptly execute the day after the wedding in order to spare the life and the life of the other women in kingdom. Scheherazade valiantly marry and being to tell story, living in the unended with challenger to there she execute the king deals and the intent to kill her so that can hear the end of the story to following day. But the minute the story is ended another being began, and it is ghost thoughts of 1001 nights after which the king repented of his murderous mission and lets his lives. And that's the way you can use story to keep your customer coming back again and again, despite their desire to do otherwise. The element of a good prescriptive story. One of the classic of sales prescription how to book is The Element of Prescription by Maxwell and Dickman. In it, the author discusses the 5 elements of a good story that will impact the physics of your reader and burn itself into their conscience. It make use of the mythical hero journey that is unethical pattern everyone all of our words recognize. The 5 elements are passion, the hero, the antagonist, moment, awareness, and finally transformation. If you have each of them element in your story, you will find that as your reader goes through your cells. 2.4 Page they will not even know they are being sold. Interest in the story will begin to mirror how they think and influence their action, subconscious helping you to close a deal. Let's go over each of these elements separately so you understand them. Passion. The element refer to the way story is told. Are you confident or assured the story has value? Or are you trying to convince your reader that it might be something they are interested in? Remember, the passion and belief you have when you sit down with the right will be reflected in the word that eventually land on the page. Hero. Every good story has a protagonist who take on his journey and allow you to the things through his or her eyes. It is through the struggle that they get involved in the story and root to their eventually victory. Antagonist. In order to mythic hero journey to take place, there has to be some obstacle or antagonist who stand in the way. This is the person or thing that provided the risk and the potential for failure. It is the thing that brings the hero to his or her weakness and exploit their weakness. A moment of awareness. This is a moment when the hero realizes that they have choose and become aware of the great destiny. The resolve the element of the hero's journey and any progress they may have caused the unending pain in order to bring worth something new and existing into the world. Transformation. This is a result of successful struggle where the hero is transformed and or the world is transformed due to hero journeys. It is the solution that will transform someone's world from something ordinary to something mythical and extraordinary. 2.5 Using the 5 elements in your sales page. After you write your book title, you list main benefit. You can start the sales page that tell the story as to your reader should buy your product or service. A good example of this in the Wall Street Journey ran that went to bring in over $1 billion from them. It was simple titled Two Young Men. The story being with two young men graduate from the same college to go out into the world make their name. After 25 years their school has renewed and then meet off. There they find out both had very similar lives and that both married, both had their children, and they even went to work for the same company after graduation. In all expected ones, they appeared to have taken the expect same. The different ones was a president of the company and the other was a manager. Of course, the telling of the story is done the more person, but for sake of variety, it has been condensed of this book. Here too, protagonist is appearing to make the extra same choose, but is highly successful, and the other isn't so much so. What are the difference? According to the Wall Street Journal, it was the world's loyalty leader of the Wall Street and the rather didn't. That's a moment or awareness, not just for the protagonist, what a same challenging his college buddy, but also for the reader of this story. That's what lead one to be transformed from the ordinary life to an extraordinary life. And of course, as the reader who was traveled along this road through the eye of the hero, the hook is captivating. Wouldn't want to interest in a copy of the Wall Street Journey with a payback with big. Who wouldn't want to be transformed overnight by using the easy solution? However, in order of them to envision how the transformation is possible in their own lives, you will need to active their power of imagination to sell your product. 2.6 Use the power of imagination to sell. Our minds are primed to be carried away with your imagination. If you know how to plug into the fantastic power of your reader's mind, you will be able to get them imagine your product service being far better than anything you can desire with same words. Usually people with problem are a little challenging to think of their one solution. It is your task to help them visualize how your product or service are going to be answer to their problems. A good story doesn't just have a moral or an insight, it should also inspire your reader to imagine how they too can solve the problem by implementing the same strategy discussed in the sales letter. Remember that you will have to lead them by hand because people who are experiencing difficult often have a poor imagination. You will need to inspire them to stop focusing on the problem and interesting imagine the solution. Your product, how will their lives better? What benefit do you see in their immediate future of for taking action now? If you have ever been to the free seminar to get rich quick or the get government grants, you will notice that try to inspire the crowd to get them to identify with the story of people who used their product and turned their lives around. They get to crowd so pumped up that is so possible and they tap into the emotion of hope that people willing sell out thousands of dollars just to take course to show them how to do it. Let's not forget that hope is powerful, motivate and is really central to the hero's journeys. If the hero gives up, it is all over. He or she has to be inspired to get past the struggle to get to moment of awareness that will lead to the finally dramatic and transforming conclusion. 2.7 Drama and controversy. You may think that your story has to come of some pioneer version of the ideal of topic if your reader would just buy your product. Your sales letter doesn't have to take the approach and as we mentioned early people of often motivated more by fear and curiosity than anything else. They think the engaged reader that will trigger fear and hope in your reader is drama and controversy. That's why news agencies always have powerful dramatic story going on all over the world or human interesting story that's spore interesting for those that get rid of all the drama. A good drama will engage the reader's emotional just like a good controversy. Those emotions can be positive or they can be negative. Often the story that get the most attention on the internet are those that are highly controversial and dramatic. They will either trigger fear, repulsion, anger or hope. Their powerful emotion will cause your message to stick more in the memory of your reader than any Polian story ever will. When you consider how to bring drama or controversy into your sales page, be careful. You don't want to risk offending your primary audience. You want to something to be controversial enough to generate traffic and discussion. If you have a member site but not so offending that you end up the death threat in your email inbox, you want to build excitement and interesting not hate. And remember that every controversy in business is also business opportunity. When someone like eBay US make a controversy decision to stop allow info, info product market to either auction less product is delivered in physical format like a CD that become a firestorm all over the interesting blog discussed in the controversial policy. Endless and only few smart markets took the opportunity to sell product that show business owner how to convert the business model for virtual to physical. 2.8 Product for eBay. There are there are the people who made money due to controversy that they didn't even worry of your sales page. You don't want to sell simple story to get your point across, but remember this is still a sales page. After you have hooked your reader, you want to start your selling the benefit your product or service. You want to make it easy for them to envision themselves as the hero on a hero journey that ends by your product or service. You want it to be entertaining, education and dramatic. You don't want you don't want to be long-winded, but say as much as you need to in order to overcome any objection someone might have to buying your product. How long should your sales page be? It should be as long as it needed to be to close the deal. There is no set length. There are some people who say the longer the better, and there are other suggested brave it and mystery work it. Try out both types and see what work on your audience. At the point that someone become engaged in the story, you have already been half of battle. If the sales page the become less story and more of an offer, the shift may not even be noticed. Your reader will be engaged. They will think it was their brilliance that deal them to your page, their luck that happen on some solution that is going to set them apart from their peer, and they will be thoroughly scheduled into taking action by singing off your free report or actually buying a product at the time. It is up to your what you want to build with that particular sales page. If you are confident the offer is so good at instant sale can be made, ask your buyer to take action now in order to benefit from this stroke of luck. You don't want them go back and think about it. You don't want them to check out your competitor product or price. You want to be have sense of urgency in the sales letter that make it imperative for them take action right now while the offer is still up for while it can do them some good. If you 2.9 are not sure how to set up limited offer by now, you can go back to chapter 3 and read the suggestion there and implement at the end of your sales page. 3.0 to cover it offer. The mind is a magnificent tool and that can be trained to work for you. Even when you are sleeping, the mind work every much like a computer. Whatever you put in it, it will only to gladly crunch and return more of the same. As they say, garbage in, garbage out. However, in the case you are going to be putting seed or creativity into your mind and repairing imaginative create offer will surprise business to a higher level. No means say. If you understand how to sell intention, you get overactive mind come up with creative for idea for thin air. The way you are going to capture that power is by setting up the right condition to get the result you want. Then you are going to go off to the something else and let the marvelous computer speed of the result when it read. To do this, you have to remember one thing about your mind: it doesn't understand the word no. The word no is ignored by your mind. That's why when you are wandering around saying no more of this, you get heaps more of whatever. It is your one concentrating on. Your mind likes is on various doesn't work the negative language. It's only understanding the positive intention behind the negative language. It's only produce more of that which you concentrate on, even if what you are concentrating on is negative. If you don't believe that you true, why do you think people always think of pink elephant when they are expressly told not to think of them? It is because the intention is set on pink elephant or not the negative affirmation. Now that you understand that, you can use the information to start creating offer form. Then here by using the mind proportion crunch whatever intensity is put into it. 3.1 how just hour of time can produce result. If you're if you're trying to gain muscles, you can't expect that only push will transform your body overnight. Exercise may be what gets you there, But without investing some time into exercise routine, you will never get result you want. Well, the same true of your brain. The good news is that you can start getting result with just 2 by hour of your time. When research studies the brain memory capacity, they found out something interesting. College students that were asked to think of all the words that started with the letter C between 30 minutes and listen them still end up thinking of new words or least 3 days after the experiment ends. From that, it can be summarized that it only takes 2 by hours to set an intention and let the brain realize this guy is really serious. He is want to me to pay attention. Once it get that isn't something that is a short term fancy, the brain will store it in space where it can continue to work on it. Even after you're done concentrating on your intention, think about it. You spend it just 2 by hour thinking of a different offer a marketing strategy on help boost your brain business and then get off do three other things. For you top 3 day after that, your mind will coming off the idea and a different time and tapping you on the shoulder to let you know that's what got at another idea. Isn't it's not that worth 30 minutes of your time? Be prepared at all time. Okay, so you concentrate for half hour and then you decided to take a shower. There you singing latest country song to be sour head in your head and your brain stuff your shoulder and worship in your ear. I got another fantastic idea and you say what's now wait. Of course, that's what happened. That best idea always come in the middle of the night or some other inconvenient time. Well, be prepared. You didn't spend that 2 to 30 minutes of your time to get your brain to work for you and decided you can't be bothered with the answer. Auto recording device. Audio recording devices. You can take advantage of those brainstorm by getting a small micro castle audio recording device that can help you store information for later use. There, these devices are highly profitable, marketing easy to take with anywhere, or extension of this for people who don't want to have to transcribe their thought into right format is to use voice recognition software to help with manning your brainstorm some good product or dragon natural speaking or IBM as BI voice journal or notebooks. You can use journal by the side of bed to jot down idea that came to you in the middle of the night. You can even use the method in the car. If you don't try to write while you are driving, just have a small notepad available to down idea that come forward from your subconscious after you have set your intention. This is a very inexpensive way to keep track of your idea when you first start. PDAS. Personal digital assistants are like a electronic notebook. They will obviously cost more than just pad of paper, but many people swear by them. They sort bridge of gap between getting your word in front that can transport to your computer is because you can synchronize and upload what you write in them to your computer. You will really have to justify paying for this fancy little toy and can cost several $100. You want to be able to sketch any picture for your idea, but that may not be issue. Stand yourself remembers. If you have voicemail or email, you can send yourself reminders. Just open up your email program and send yourself an email. The niche thing about this is that you can later file it in idea folder. The same can be done with voicemail if you have way to leave yourself a message. The problem with some of the solution is the idea don't normally show up just when you sit down to the computer or when your phone is handling. Be a copycat. Having trouble getting inspired for even 30 minutes, why not check out what your competition is doing? If it is driving off their sales ad, or same strategy will also work for you. There are plenty of people who have made a lot of money just copying other people. Japanese goods used to be mocked and as cheap knock offer until they started making copy they were even better than original. Then they not only competed better in the market but they made a ton of money. You can too. It don't take genuine to recognize a good idea when it show up even if it is not your one. Phone. 3 4. One word of cautions here through. Though you don't want to bluntly take someone else's product and put your name on it. This is copyright infringement. It could be used. If you bought sales right, you still need to make sure stay within the term of agreement. You might be required to sell the product for a particular price of keep the original creator link or information within the product. Always stick to the term of the license to that you don't need of regretting it later. Copy. Don't just copy anyone, copy people who are successful markets and networks. This is easy to do if you join any of social networking sites. Some area listed in the resource section at the end of this ebook. All you have to do is see how many friends they have and if they are using their profile to promote their business. Then you simple copy what they are doing. You will find that this market all have one thing common. They use the power of the internet to spread the news about their offering to everyone and anywhere. When they put up a blog post, they link into several different areas where the people who might read. They use news feeder, they bookmark site content various areas, fogdk.com to deal. Although it take a few extra minutes of their time to do this, reward of added exposure make of it in spades. Keep visiting their people to see what new trick they come up with. They may do all the research for you and just simple copy what they do. They will probably be interested in the learning what new applications work best for promotion and add them into their profile. Your news feeds will let you know what they are editing Facebook and you can simply check out they are editing and see if it will work for you. Add or it will. 3.5. Another great way to find what kind of means to do it to copy your competitor. That's right. You visit site and you find out them doing or then you simple emulate them and thank them or wonderful idea. You can do this online by doing a little research on your computation through or Excel search engine. Or if you are really thinky, you may wonder who is simply linking your competitor site and see if you are target them to become part of your network. You can take this interesting swing of a step future by finding out which keyword your competitor are copying in the campaign in the using them on your website too. That's easy enough to do on the internet with keyword analyzing tool like available at. If you don't want to download a tool, there are plenty of online website keyword analyze that will give you results that may be bit confusing at first but also enlightening. Just plug into any search engine the word key word analyzing URL and you will get a good list. A good one to use might be